Hey there, fellow Facebook Marketplace enthusiasts. If you're buying or selling items online, you know how important it is to keep your shipping details accurate, especially with the latest updates in 2025. Maybe you've moved houses or just want to ensure your packages arrive safely. Whatever the reason, updating your shipping address is a breeze. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps so you can do it in under a minute. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on the app or website. If you're on the app, tap the Facebook icon at the bottom of your screen to go to your homepage. Now, head over to the Marketplace tab. It's usually the shop icon in the bottom menu. Once you're in Marketplace, look for your profile icon or the settings gear in the top right corner. This is where things get personalized. Next, select your account or settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find the Shipping and Payments section. Facebook has made this super easy to spot in the 2025 update. Tap on it and you'll see your current shipping address listed. If it's outdated, hit the Edit button next to it. Now, enter your new address details carefully. Double-check the street, city, zip code, and any other required fields to avoid delivery delays. After you've made your changes, hit Save or Confirm at the bottom. Facebook will quickly verify the information, and you're all set. One quick tip. If you're using the website version, the process is almost identical. Just use your mouse to navigate through the menus. And remember, if you run into any issues, like an error message, make sure your account is up to date and try refreshing the page. There you have it. That's how you update your shipping address on Facebook Marketplace in 2025. It's straightforward and keeps your transactions smooth. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy selling and buying. See you in the next one.